Hello everyone, for today's Seismic Lab, we will be doing an experiment regarding elastic properties of rocks. So today we have 3 samples with us. The first is the granite sample, and the second one would be the marble sample, and as for the third, it is the sandstone sample. We will start by measuring the diameter of the rock specimen, which is, this one is a granite specimen. We will first calibrate the vernier caliper to 0 by pressing the yellow button on the vernier caliper. Once we calibrated it to 0, and then we can measure the diameter. Then we will proceed by taking the measurement of the length of the specimen. We will measure the weight of the specimen by using this weighing scale, but first we must calibrate the weighing scale to 0. Okay, it's already 0, and then we put the specimen on top of the weighing scale, and the measurement is taken in order to calculate the density of the specimen.
Then we proceed by starting up the OU Sonic Viewer. Once the software is open, we set up and calibrate the S-Wave transducer. Calibration is done by pressing Delay tab. Wait until monitoring appears. Press Start. And wait for data setting 1 to 5 and press Cancel.
Now, we can place a specimen on the transducer. Weight is positioned on top of the transducer.
Press Setting F2 tab. Jot down the input ID and key in the data for length and density. Then, choose S as the wave option. Press Measure F3 tab, press Enter and collect data. When monitoring appears on the screen, press Enter again. Wait for the data stacking from 1 until 5 and then press Cancel or the ESC tab.
Pick first break by using arrow keys and press Enter to save the data. We repeat for the other 2 specimens and then disconnect the S-Wave transducer to change to P-Wave transducer.
Now for the P-wave, we have to put a petroleum jelly on the top and the bottom of the rock sample to increase and improve the contact between the sample and the transducer. And because unlike S-wave, P-wave can still transmit through liquid. After that, we repeat the same thing for the other 2 specimens for the P-wave measurement, and then you can print your data.
Press Display F5, then insert ID number of P-wave and S-wave and press Enter. Print screen, open Paint and save the data as JPEG. We are good to go for printing.